Hello, everybody. My name is Carl Lenas, and I am an enterprise account manager here at Railgreen by WorkWave. Today, we're going to be talking about how to create a master doc. This might be a two-part series where we show you how to create that right now, and then in the part two, how to actually use them. So, how to create them, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. So, from Service Assistant, you would go into your hamburger dropdown to your settings. Under your settings, you'd put in document in the search engine, or go all the way to the very bottom where you're going to find document template setup. In your document template setup, you have show system templates or the ones that have been created. So as you can see, I play around with it a little bit, but here it shows all the ones that are available to you. Anything from an estimate to a cancel letter. Also, you have some upsells, some collection letters. So these are all the letters that can be generated through Service Assistant 5 and also proposal. Today, we're going to be looking at estimates and also proposals. So I'm going to go ahead and not show the system. I'm going to go ahead and just show the ones that I have created. So let's go into my test one. So we can go into edit mode. We can clone this. We can also delete it. Once we find one that we like into the system templates, so let's just say I was looking at the estimate in a green style. So basically I can look at it, which is going to show me what it currently looks like. This one has no header. I'm going to choose one that does have a header because that's where the information is pulled. So it pulls the customer's information as their account number, their name, last name, phone numbers, things like that, the directions. This is to actually go out and physically do an estimate. In the system, we're able to add a customer in a zero status. We can pull estimates like we do our invoices, which it would add all the information here. We can actually map it out for our technicians or our estimators to go out and do the estimates, where they would actually fill in this information. It can be done on a 3-ply, where they can go ahead and leave a copy to the customer, bring a copy back, and also have a copy for their records. So they would clone this, then this is where you would be able to change any of this information. And again, this would be for an estimate. It would not be information that's changed on the fly. The information, the lines that are available here would be the lines where that information would be put at the customer's house while you're giving them the estimate. So that is one way that people are using the estimate template in the master, in the document template setup. The other one that is frequently used is the proposal. I'm going to go ahead and pull my proposal that I currently have. So again, it is pulling all kinds of information like the customer's house, their size after it's been done, also the pricing for my CO1, my CO2, my CO3, my CO4, 5, and then my 6. Also my grub and my aeration. So it could be a 6, it could be a 5. What you do is here you have your available data field. So once you find a proposal that you like the colors, you can change any of the verbiage that you want and then make all your saves. We're here to pull the actual data from Service Assistant. Here are some of the variable fields like the company logo, and any of these fields can be added to this document. Any of these available fields can be also added to the estimate, to the cancels, and any of the other documents that can be put together here in document template setup. Here we have our pricing. So this is the pricing that's available. So currently I have my aeration, my rounds 1 through 6, my grub, my totals, my installments if I have that set up. And this is where you're going to go ahead and pull that information. Is you're going to go into here. You're going to pull the round that you want. You're going to be able to add it from a price chart or an actual or both. You can give it a discount, so that way there's a discount on your proposal. And then here you're going to be able to add it into include in the total or not. Once you've added all your services, the ones that you do want to add and the ones that you don't, you're going to go ahead and save that. There's nothing to be saved here. Basically what I did is I grabbed my aeration. I would bring it down here and add that to this area. where it's going to calculate my rounds 1 through 6. And then as an option, it is going to add my grub and my aeration, because that I don't have in a total. So here is going to add the base price, the taxes if your state charges tax, and then the grand total. Again, only my first 6 rounds are added into the total, not my aeration or grub. Once you make the saves, you have that, and you're going to be able to go ahead and use this in the customer file, or when you're using Measurement Assistant, and also your one-step sale into adding a new customer. That's the part 2 that we'll be doing. We'll be adding this to a customer, also the one-step sale, and also how to print those estimates once we have a template that we like. If you have any questions, please contact your account manager or tech support. They will help you through your document template setup.